Did you know that growing on YouTube is easier than ever? Let me show you how I'm making it happen and how you can too. Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi Rose, if you did not know, and today we are getting into how to master YouTube in 2025, or for lack of a better term, how I'm going to master my YouTube channel in 2025.
This how I do it.
Let's get into it. So I know we're sick and tired of hearing this, but I'm gonna start with the cliche one and then we're gonna get into the nuts and bolts of everything. Let me just say it. Commitment to consistency is key. Commitment to consistency is key. I'm going to be posting once a week on the same day every week once I figure out what that day is, and posting 5 shorts a week. If you think about it, a good analogy of probably why you're watching this video in the first place, or why you want to create your YouTube channel in the first place. You may work a 9 to 5. Let's say it's a sales position like I used to. If you're working a sales job, you have goals that you're supposed to meet every month. If you want to grow within that company, you know that you need to exceed those goals. So what do? Every day, you're setting a goal for that day to exceed the goals of your overall month. You cannot just make ends meet if you're trying to exceed goals and grow within your company. So with that being said, if you're trying to get out of your 9 to 5, you're trying to grow, treat it as a job. Treat it as a job. If you truly want to do this, take it serious. Write down what your schedule is currently and figure out how long it takes you to record, how long it takes you to come up with an idea, edit, etc. Everything that's going to go into forming your YouTube channel and actually putting in the work, write it down, make a schedule, and stick to it. And also, just like any other platform, it favors consistency. The second thing that I'm going to be focusing on is value-driven content. Now, I know that, especially for the past year or two, everybody's been trying to figure out how many times do I need to post a day on TikTok? I need to post 3 times a day on TikTok. I need to post twice a day on Instagram. I need to post once on YouTube. Content. I need to batch create, etc. Now, batch creating is a good thing. But on the other hand, the way that I've seen people get the most valuable audience is to create a community. I know what my audience is, which is fashion, beauty enthusiasts, and aspiring models.
I don't want to be pretty. I want to be iconic.
With that being said, what I'm going to do is figure out what content resonates with them. In each video, I need to ensure that I am addressing a specific problem, question, or interest.
Well, if there's an issue, then solve it.
What I've seen in my past videos where I've done this, it keeps your audience not only engaged with your content, it also makes them want to follow you or subscribe to you. There is a few tools that I like to use, such as ChatGPT. You don't have to sit around and brainstorm like you used to. You can literally just get onto ChatGPT. This is literally what I do. And I will ask it, okay, this is my audience, 18 to 35 women who are beauty and or fashion enthusiasts or aspiring models. What type of content should I make? Come up with a content calendar for me for this specific platform. And I'll go through that list, see what aligns with me, and build on that and make it personable. You also can use YouTube search or Google Trends to see what's trending or what is also popular within your niche. And you don't have to niche down anymore. Niching down is in the past, okay?
It doesn't matter. It's in the past.
You don't have to worry about that. Be you, find your audience, find your community, and let's conquer YouTube this year, okay? Last thing with that is you want to aim for videos that are educational, entertainment.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Or inspirational. Number 3, leverage YouTube shorts for quick growth. My goal is to post 5 shorts a week at minimum. Now I may be posting more than that because I have content that I'm gonna bring over from TikTok, since we don't know if TikTok is gonna stay or not. But you should do that anyway because it also helps. Like, I've gained 3,000 followers this past year just because of YouTube shorts. And also with me doing long form videos, there is this tool on YouTube shorts that literally says, is this related to another one of your videos? So you can link your long form video with the short video that pops up on your feed. What I'll do is use, I forgot what app it is, but I will put it on the screen if I can find it before I post this video, that will chop up your videos, or you can do it yourself with CapCut and find the highlights within your long form videos, chop them up into short form videos, and tag your long form video. So it's a funnel. If people are on the shorts, let's say for instance, like this video, if people are on the shorts feed and they see this video pop up and they want to see more information, then all they have to do is click on that video. You just made it easier for somebody to subscribe to you. You just made it easier for your audience to find you. Ding.
Okay.
And for those people who aren't fully ready to commit to switching over to YouTube, YouTube Shorts was a way for, you know, all the TikTokers to come over here as well. So they're pretty much really pushing YouTube Shorts right now. So you better hop on it. You want to repurpose your content, make sure the energy is high. Use trending sounds, and again, see what is going on within your niche, your audience, or the audiences that you like to have. Number 4, optimize search and discovery. This has been around for so long. If you aren't using this, you must be living under a rock, okay? Because TubeBuddy has been key. Some people use vidIQ. I personally like TubeBuddy. You can literally go into the search, have it as one of those little things that stay on your browser. So whenever you're on YouTube, let's say you're searching how to grow on YouTube, it's going to pop up on the right hand corner, tell you if this title is trending, if it's excellent or poor as in search. Also, it's going to give you some tags below to put into your video. But what I like to do, let's say that I'm looking up, and this may not be a high search right now, but let's say I'm looking up winter makeup tutorial or just winter makeup in general. You're going to see the list of YouTubers who have posted a winter makeup tutorial. And when you see that, it's going to rank the video, tell you if that title is trending or not, and whoever has the highest views, I like to click on their YouTube video, see what they have tagged, see what rating each tag is, copy and paste it to my own if my video resonates with that one, or copy and paste the tags that resonate with my video. Optimizing your video will literally help your YouTube video ranking, and if your video gets pushed to the top of the search for that specific title or different keyword, then you have a wider audience. That increases your chances of reaching the audience that you desire. Another thing that I like to do is the visual aspect. Like if somebody just found my YouTube page randomly, or my YouTube video popped up as soon as you open YouTube, you want to have an exciting or consistent thumbnail. So you want to play with the titles and looks and the aesthetic of your thumbnail so it can just be uniform and make sense to go with your audience, your brand. And the way that I like to do that, I create all my thumbnails on Canva. They also have some pre-made thumbnails where you can edit them, make them yours, and, you know, experiment like we're gonna do. Last but not least, number 5, engage with your audience. You did all that groundwork just to not talk to your community? Are you serious? Something that I'm gonna be implementing is responding to every comment. I'm gonna do it. At this time of this video, I have 3,500 subscribers. So yes, I'm going to be communicating with my audience every day in those comments, because I want to encourage a discussion, especially with my beauty, fashion enthusiasts, and aspiring models. I want to talk. I want to see what's going on with their lives. What questions do they have? And that's going to help me come up with new content to push out. And also in my videos, what I like to do is in the middle of the video, ask them to comment down below if they're enjoying this video, or ask them to subscribe to your channel if they're learned something from your video, if they're entertained, if they're inspired by this video. CTA, call to action, in every video at least twice. I want to do this because this helps build a loyal community. Have you ever seen those pages where they have millions of subscribers, they have millions of comments, and the people are not responding? Like, people want to feel involved. I didn't subscribe to you for no reason. Like,
You see me? Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me? Hell yeah, I see you. Both of us sitting here looking like two big Barneys. We see each other.
it just don't feel right. I did not do all this to reach an audience that I want to cater to not talk to them. Make it make sense. And also on the flip side, when you engage with your audience, or people are engaging in your content, liking, subscribing, especially commenting, YouTube will look at your video as it is valuable, and the ranking again goes up for your video. And if you are still working a 9-to-5, you're very busy, just dedicate 10 to 15 minutes daily to comment on your YouTube channel. Let's recap everything. This is gonna be simple, guys. Let's not make this complicated. It's only 5 things that I'm really gonna be focusing on in 2025 to grow my YouTube channel. That is committing to consistency, focusing on value-driven content, leveraging shorts, because shorts has really pushed my YouTube channel to the next level, optimization, search and discovery, which is like SEO. You want to be searchable, and engaging with your community. This is your friends and family here watching you.
In the club, we all fam. What?
These are my dolls. Give your community a name. Make it personable. Now, guys, now I know we're at the end of this video, but I really want you guys to know that you can do this.
Just do it!
right? Don't let your dreams be dreams.
You can do this. If you really focus on the goal that you want to achieve, write it down and be consistent. I know you hate to hear the word, but you need to hear it because it really is that simple. I really hope that this hits somebody home and really make you think, and not only think, but actually do the action to grow their YouTube channel. I can't wait to see all your beautiful videos. And I'm going to start today with one of the things that I'm telling you guys that I'm going to do, which is let's all meet in the comment section. And I want you guys to share your goals. I'm going to share my goals for 2025 as well, but I want you to share your goals and some growth strategies that you're going to be implementing in the year 2025, whether that's on YouTube, Instagram, in your life, in your work, whatever the case may be. Let's talk about it. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Happy New Year, everyone.